Hello makers, welcome back to the channel. This is Trapti, your host for the new knowledge series which will be all around the tools and its uses. So in this series, other than me just talking about the tools and its uses, I'm going to be sharing some interesting facts, some tips and some tricks about the tools as well. For an example, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about something called an inch tape. Now I know all of you already know how to use an inch tape, so I'm not going to explain you how to do that, but I'm going to be sharing an interesting fact about this, which is the metal head of it. Ever wonder why this metal head is loose? Can we tighten it with the help of a screwdriver? Or maybe an Allen key? No, because this is how it's supposed to be. So basically, you will notice that your inch tape is shortened by 1/16 inch, and this is not an error. This is the exact size of the thickness of this metal head. But the question is, why do we need it? It basically helps in taking the accurate measurements of inside or outside of a surface. Now, how it actually does what it does. So if you want to measure outside of this box, you will need to pull the metal head so that it creates a gap of 1/16 inches, and this way you don't count the thickness of the metal head. But when it comes to measure the inside of your box, you would want to count the thickness of this metal head and not any gap. In order to do that, you will need to push the metal head inside so that you won't count any gap. This way you can calculate the exact measurements of this box without any gap. Now, other than these two things, there is one more thing you must have noticed on your metal head, which is the nail grab. Yes, this small cut which you can see over here. Yeah, this is something called a nail grab. Do you know what's the use of it? If you know the answer, comment your answer in the comment section. Tab tak ke liye, keep making. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.